Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Santucci, and I've got another shipment in. Yes, yes.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright, guys, so we are still getting gear in. And just wanted to remind y'all that we are doing our next subscriber giveaway. And what it is, well, y'all gonna have to go through this link, which is now here at the bottom, and check out the video. That's the only way you're gonna know and get into the free giveaway. Yes, it is free. You may have to do a little finger work to get into it, but you know, very easily for multiple winners. We have 2 right now and several more prizes on the way. So don't get discouraged if somebody's ahead of you. Just keep trucking away, get us more subscribers, and we will definitely be announcing that. That's in less than maybe, I forget the date. I'm gonna have to look at the video myself, but I want to say I think we put it for the 14th or something like that. So you still got time to win this. You know, it's anybody's game. And like I said, you know, we're on the honor system here. The best thing I can do is post it out for y'all to play. And like I said, I want everybody to have fun while doing this. And like I said, don't get discouraged, because you just never know. You might have that one extra person come in and do this, you know. Obviously, too, you want the individuals to make sure they tell them to sub, turn on their notifications, and then to comment in there referring you as the person that told them about our channel. So we're looking for new subscribers, and we're trying to hit, you know, we're almost to the 5,000 subscriber mark, so that's coming real quick. And I don't know, never know, maybe we can get to 10,000 for 2 weeks. Hey, things, it's like fishing, you know, you're shooting for a little fish and then you catch a real big one. You just never know. And I need to find my knife. There it is. Got a few rods in here. Oh, I got something new in there too. I wonder what these are. Stay tuned. I'll open those up at the end of the video. Yes, they got some pretty sweet colors on them. So we've got a tank right here and 2 of the tackle industry. That one. Let me open the next one. Awesome. Got 2 of the Vexens. Oh yeah. Get these peeled off. These are nice because then I reuse them for when I have to ship some more rods. Tag came off. Pretty. I don't know, every time I say that, I always think of that movie, or that cartoon, Surf's Up. Are you polishing your trophies again? Y'all don't know about it? Y'all need to watch that cartoon. It's pretty fun. Look at them rods. Beautiful. There and there. That's gonna be a good picture right there. Oh yeah. Yep. So again, guys, if y'all are interested in the rods, we can have them drop shipped straight to you. Come on in. You can check them out in person. You can see the different reels on them because I got mine in-house. So that's pretty cool. And these are something else. We got some face masks, and it's from the Vexan Fishing. Oh yeah, beautiful colors. Yeah, so definitely like that. Now I wear my cap, and I won't get sunburn on my face, or it's always important for me at the back of my neck right here. So